How to disable top fan badge on Facebook page. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off or disable top fan badge onto your Facebook page. Very, very simple. So the very first thing that you want to have to do, of course, is make sure that you already switch into your Facebook page. Now, once you've done that, you're going to have to go into your profile picture at the upper left and then choose on settings and privacy and then settings. Once you selected settings, you will automatically be redirected into the settings of your Facebook page. At your left-hand side, scroll down and choose on page setup. From page setup, you will have a lot of options here. Since we are tackling about Facebook badges, then of course you're going to have to choose on Facebook badges, which is going to be on the lower portion of these options. So you will only have two options here, like the top fan and rising fan. For you to disable top fan, you just untick this box right here and choose on disable badge. And that's it. That's how you disable top fan badge on Facebook page.